it's your girl Diamond and I'm back with another video. So me and D'Angelo are about to go out right now. This weekend is pretty much gonna be me vlogging the whole weekend, kid free. So tonight night is me and D'Angelo. Tomorrow night is girls night. But real quick, check the details. Check the details. Y'all feeling my makeup? Y'all feeling the real lip? Or is y'all feeling the hair? The hair, I will be posting, or if I haven't already posted, a wig tutorial. If I already posted it, I'm gonna drop it down in the description bar below. If not, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you will be notified when I do post it. Okay.
With you,
hey.
Sometimes I love it. Sometimes you make me blue.
That was great. You guys, I'm in trouble. Apparently, I did something wrong.
Typical, my body feeling miserable. Singing on to the visual, I'm gonna be invisible. Looking at my ears like I'm out of door. Nobody needs to be a part of them. Living up from the pocket songs, born around, I was born for the.
Hey y'all, it's very much so the next day. It's Saturday and it's girls' night out. We have not started the turn up yet because Adriana didn't want to drink yet, but we definitely going to the liquor store, okay? That's what you gotta know, period. But no, I'm at my best friend's house. We about to get ready. I did not find the dress that I wanted or a dress that was more formal, but I do have something from Closet Blue. I'll definitely be sure to link the dress down below from my website. You know, I ain't mad because it's always good to be promoting my business. But you know, everybody gonna be formal and I wanted to be formal too. It's formal, but it's not formal. It's giving very much casual. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup, get my hair and get dressed. And I'll be back in a second. Okay, y'all, it's giving me very much fall vibes. Okay. You look good, girl. You look good. Thank your best friend. Hey, best friend. Hi. Finally.
We about to turn up.
Period. That's what you guys know. What we drinking on?
Listen, what you trying to do? Dark light? What you feeling like?
You know I'm on door. You know I like my liquor like I like my men.
I like my nigga done.
Booty so big, Lord, hammer me kiss her. How y'all like me? How y'all like me? How y'all like me? How y'all like me?
She's ready.
But y'all, we about to get up out this thing and get the party started. Y'all, if I haven't told y'all already, definitely go check out the wig video where I made my wig, I colored my wig, and I styled my wig. 3 separate videos. If it's up, go check it out on my page. I'll actually put it down in the description bar. If it's not up right now, then definitely subscribe, and it will be coming in the next week or so. Okay, got the titties right. Titties is tittying, okay?
Because it's cheap, don't care, get some money, I'm not taking a receipt.
I'm out of breath. Tonight was fun. It was fun. I had fun with my friends. I love y'all so much. I think I had like 4 drinks. And I just took a couple of shots downstairs. Anyways, I'm about to take this makeup off. And hopefully I can get a nightcap. Oh, shit. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. So it's the next day, y'all. My weekend is over, sad to say. Me and D'Angelo are about to go get something to eat. It's Sunday, so we were trying to get some breakfast, but I think all the breakfast spots gonna be packed. Then he said he want Benihana's. I'm so over Benihana's. I gotta go pick up King from my mom's house. I'm sure he's been driving her a while. And I'm sure he's tired because he has the most fun with her. They do all kind of stuff, and he be playing all day, every day with my little sister. So, he's gonna be wore out. He gonna be cranky because he wore out. He be trying to keep up with older kids. Like, boy, you can't keep up. You gotta take your naps, okay? Anywho, I miss him. I miss him so much. So I can't wait to see him. Hey guys, so today, oh my god, I'm trying to get this lighting right. Can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Hey guys, so today is Saturday, the day before Halloween, October 30th. We are at a apple orchard. They have a haunted hayride, they have a haunted barn, they have spooky land with lots of different activities, and we're gonna get into all of those things, so stay tuned. So you guys, we just got off the haunted hayride. I forgot to vlog, okay? I forgot to vlog, but we about to go in a haunted house, haunted barn. My mom is scared. You scared, Ma? Yes, 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 yes. King is a G. He's a trooper. He ain't screamed not once. I was screaming. Y'all know I'm scary cat, so. Say, I ain't scared. I ain't never scared. I ain't never scared. You ready, King? You ready? Yeah. Oh my God. Please don't jump out. I got a little child here. He's only 2 years old. He's only 2. Be very gentle with us. He's only 2. Oh my God. I can't see. Whoa! Is it turning? Oh my God! Oh my God! Come on! I feel dizzy. I couldn't. I feel dizzy. My arm hurt. I was trying to hold King and hold my balance. I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't. It's Halloween. Look at King. He's so cute. You closing the garage, baby? King, say hi. Buzz. King. Hey, listen, don't be throwing stuff. I want him to turn around. King. Hi. He just infatuated with your mask, D'Angelo. Well, we have Buzz here. And then, what is you again, baby? Huh? From that movie? What's the movie called? What? Your mask. You got to put your hood on.
It's not a movie, it's just a story.
That is it's a movie that they had that in. It's with the people at the time sign, the sirens that go off and you get to kill people. That's what it's from. All right, you ready, King? Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Say hi. Somebody bust a lip earlier today. He always hurting himself. Look at that. That's a mess. What they say, boys will be boys. Hold on, that is not a cat sound. What is it, baby? Meow. Meow. Baby, when King woke up from his nap, he seen my face. You should have seen his face expression was priceless. He was looking at me like, what the fuck is that? Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. If you don't, I don't care. Trick or treat. I think, is there somebody up there? Or? That's not a person. It's a statue. I'm sorry. He scared me now. I'm scared. Go get it. Is that a person?
Yeah, oh, it's a bowl of kids.
Go get it, baby. Come on, get his. Oh my God, I was really scared. Because if he would have moved.
Yep.
Yes. Oh, hi. How you doing, Ron?
Good, man. You guys came out. That's good. That's good.
We were hoping we didn't miss you.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, he's loaded now.
We saw you down around. Well, we had trunk or treat at the church.
Oh, yeah?
We had about 664 people come through last week. But we were planning for 800.
Oh, my God.
Well,
So I have a
we're
lot
ready, but we got so much. If you run out of candy, we have.
Yeah, you just.
Oh, yeah.
we will hook you up.
Yeah.
He'll have cavities by the time of his next dentist appointment.
I can't believe
That fast.
already.
Yeah.
Yes.
puppies?
Going
flying
so
by.
fast.
They're crazy puppies.
Yeah, they are
They're crazy. Yeah, they're crazy. Are you Buzz Lightyear?
Say yes.
I like it.
We watch that movie almost every day.
Oh, that's awesome, man. That's awesome.
All right, y'all have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank
You too.
Here, let me help you. You got it? Come here. Take off your shoes. Ooh, now look at. We just got back, y'all, from trick-or-treating, and ooh, look at my hair. I look a mess. Well, okay. Somebody's not ready to take their costume off. So, here. But yeah, we just got back in from trick-or-treating. And oh, can oh my God. We just got back in, y'all, and can you get back? Can I? Somebody don't want me to finish vlogging without any interruptions. But y'all, look at all this candy. King, move. Move. Get out the camera. All this candy we got, or King got, it's a whole bucket full. That's your favorite time? Okay. What else you want to show them? Yup. We got a whole bunch of those. Gang, gang. We got a whole bunch of them. Feel me? What else? What else we got, King? Period. Oh, look. Don't forget about the Whoppers. Show them, King. Is your nose running again? Oh, it was so cold outside. Anyways. Okay, they seen that already, sir. Can you get? Can you move? Okay. All right, just finish the vlog for me. Anyways, like I was saying, stop following me. Let go of my tail. Let go. Let go of my tail. Let it go. Let it go. Like I was saying, I gotta get him ready for bed. He has school tomorrow. I gotta give him a bath, cook him something to eat, get his clothes together for tomorrow, get my clothes together for tomorrow. I literally have to set everything out or I'll be running late, like late. All I need to do in the morning is brush his teeth, wash his face, and put his clothes on. Same for me, because I like to get up 30 minutes before I gotta leave, and the daycare is, or his school is 15 minutes away. So 30 minutes, 15 minutes for me to do what I need to do for him and myself and get out the door. Because I come back home and then I go work out anyway, so it ain't much that I gotta do for myself in the morning that I can't do after I leave the gym. You're not about to eat all that candy tonight. Y'all, but yes. I did not think that I would be able to do this, but it was really easy. All I did is Google like cat faces, cat Halloween faces, and it was so simple. I like it. It's cute. Did I ever put my hood on in this video? I don't know. I'm gonna show y'all. I have the little ears. They have some little whiskers on the hood. But yeah, this is cute. It's cute. Got a little tail in the back. A little bodysuit. It can be kind of warm too. I'm just sitting here for 5 minutes talking to myself, not even recording. But anyways, like I was saying, y'all, oh my God. This Halloween candy is the devil, okay? Because I've been fucking this shit up. But, y'all, don't mind me while I got my hood on in the house. It is freezing in here. We got the heat on. We ain't being cheap. It's just, I'm cold. I'm anemic. So, yes, I'm in the house and I got my hood on. And so what? Who gonna check me? Period. It's Monday, the day after Halloween, November 1st. Nothing negative November. Who ready? But, what am I say? This video pretty much being all over the place. Let's take a minute for my skin. I'm sorry. I had to, I need to get y'all this skincare regimen because, baby girl, your skin is glossing, okay? Glossing, glowing, you know what I mean. But it sort of look like I'm sweating. Anyways, today I'm making chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. Chicken noodle soup. What is that on the side? I let it rain. And clear it up. I let it rain. But anyway. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm making chicken noodle soup for the first time. And of course somebody on YouTube is walking me through it. I'm gonna tag her below just in case y'all want to see the full details on how I'm about to kill this chicken noodle soup. Fingers crossed. But I just cleaned my chicken and right now it's cooking because I'm trying to get it real tender so I can like chop it up or whatever not. So I put some chicken broth in there and some chicken bone broth in the pot. I put some carrots, some celery, and some seasonings in there. And I'm gonna let that boil and simmer. What it's gonna do is gonna get my chicken tender the way I want it. And it's going to create a nice broth with all of the ingredients that I put in there, the carrots and celery and stuff. All of the nutrients from those ingredients is going to simmer into my chicken broth. Then I'm gonna take those out because once I cook all of the nutrients out of those vegetables, the vegetables are no longer good, like they're useless. So I'm gonna take those vegetables out and I'm gonna put new vegetables in. So, you know, I'm gonna have me a nice nutrient broth, and then I'm going to chop my chicken up. I'm gonna use that broth and then I'm gonna put the chicken back in, add my noodles, add some more vegetables, add some seasoning, and you know, that's what it's gonna be. And hopefully it comes out tasty. I gotta give me some cornbread though. Like, how can you not have cornbread with chicken noodle soup? I need some cornbread. But yeah, that's that. You said what?
The chicken got all the flavor, man. This shit good as fuck.
You just eating out the pot like that for real.
You talking about waiting for cornbread? I ain't waiting for that.
Or some crackers? You don't want no crackers either? You just gonna eat it like that?
That's good.
Baby, stop eating out of my pot.
Put some more carrots in here, man. Come on, this shit slapping. We need some more vegetables.
Baby.
I can eat on this shit for the next couple days right here.
Okay, stop eating out of my pot. You being disrespectful.
What? I'm tasting it for you. I'm letting you know.
You tasted it already 5 times.
It's ready. That's good.
I wish I could show them your reaction.
That's good, baby.
You think he gonna
I'm
like it?
surprised.
Why you surprised? Why is you surprised, cause you
My
know.
grandma on the first attempt. This good as hell. Take my mama and grandma made it.
So your girl did her thing on the soup, as y'all can see. We about to chow down and probably watch a movie or something. I gotta give King a bath and put him in the bed too. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this VLOGTOBER vlog. I guess I will see you guys next time. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.